guys, Janice here. Thought we'd do things a little differently today. I told you guys that I ordered a box from Germany and it has come. So I thought that I would open it online with you guys. Now, I don't know if you guys know what it is, but it was something so that I could be reminded of Chaz all the time. It is from Germany, as I said. Now, the shipping time was supposed to come sometime in April. Oh my God, guys. And here it is. Look at this. It is made by Carl Dick Collection, and it is a Siberian chipmunk. Look at how beautiful that is. It was a little expensive, but I think it's pretty amazing. So fantastic, as you can see. And this way, oh, it has a little, yeah, and it has a little nice little leather tag. So this is the Siberian version of the same chipmunk that here, let me show you guys that one again, in case you missed it. So this is my representation of a Siberian chipmunk. And this is my Beanie Baby, limited edition Beanie Baby, which is an Eastern chipmunk. So now when you look at the stripes, you can see the difference. So there you go. Hopefully someday they will make it in white, and that would be fabulous. So thanks for, oh, if you want, if these are available on Amazon.ca, both. So if you like them, by all means, get yourself a pair. And fantastic. Hope you guys liked it. See you again.